Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
In today's demo, I want to take you through how you can successfully install and activate Microsoft Office, be it 2021, 2019, 2016, or whatever version of Microsoft you want to install on your PC. Before I go into how it is done properly, I need to let you know a few things you have to do in order to have it successfully installed without any problem on your PC. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is, before you start anything about installing Microsoft Word Office and getting it activated, you need to first turn off your antivirus. Whichever antivirus you're using, whether it's Windows Defender or other third-party antivirus you have installed, you need to turn it off. I have Windows Defender installed on my PC, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off.
JAWS version 2022.
Let me reduce the speed of my JAWS.
Slower.
Sound
Escape.
This is fine
Slower.
for everyone.
Faster. Slower.
Okay, right. So I'll press the Windows key
Search box edit. Type a text.
and type the word virus.
voice RUS. Virus and threat protection. System settings. Press right to switch preview.
That's what you're going to get when you type that word virus and threat protection. You don't need to do anything other than you pressing the enter key to activate.
Virus. Enter. Windows security. Close navigation button.
So right now, go to my tab key. I'll press it a few times until I get to the settings of Windows Defender.
Current threat. Allowed threats. Protection history. Turn on button. Virus and threat protection settings. Manage settings link.
So I'm on virus and protection settings. I'm gonna press spacebar.
Space. Open navigation button to activate. Press space bar. Real-time protection button checked. To activate, press space bar.
Now real-time protection is checked. You're going to uncheck it.
Space. Back button to activate. Press space bar. User account control dialog. Do you want to?
And once that is done, your user account control is going to pop up. You press Alt-Y or press Tab to yes.
Do you want yes but no but? Do you want yes but space?
Press space. So press Tab again to check if it has been
Blue
unchecked.
notification for open navigate real-time protection button not checked. To activate, press space.
That has been done, so I'll tab again.
Dismiss link. Cloud delivered protection button not checked. To activate, press space bar.
Okay, by default, this also will be checked. You have to uncheck it, but it is unchecked right now, so just go ahead.
Automatic sample submission. Submit a sample. Dismiss link. Tamper protection button not checked.
Tamper protection by default will also be checked, so you need to uncheck it, but right now it is unchecked.
Learn more link. Manage, can add or remove, change note, get help link. Give us feed, privacy, set privacy, back button to activate.
So right now I'm done turning off my Windows Defender because that is the only antivirus I use on my Windows 10 computer, HP laptop. I'm going to just move to the next step, but I have to tell you that after turning off this Windows Defender, it is advisable that you don't close the window, so that when you are done, you remember to come back here and turn it on again, because it is very, very essential that you have your antivirus on all the time. So that's the first thing we need to do. Now the second thing is to go to the package where you have downloaded your Office package. I'm going to include a link, where you are going to get the Microsoft Office software. You can as well go to the Microsoft Office store and get it downloaded, but I will include a link where you can get it easily. So I'll go to the folder where I have my Office package downloaded.
Windows E. File Explorer.
So that's my File Explorer. On View, I'll go to Download.
D. Downloads 2 of 29.
Pressing that to
Enter.
open it.
Downloads. Items view list box.
So let's go to the Office package.
Last month expanded. M3U edit tool 12/M. M.
Oh, okay. I have it in a folder called Software. That is
Earlier this year expanded. Not selected. Sharp key. S. Today expanded. Software. Enter.
Press enter
Download.
here. So I'll go to the file now.
Microsoft Office Professional 2019 Retail downloaded from blindhelp.net.in 7 of 9.
Now, if you have listened to what Josh just said, at the end of it, you heard one extension called img.im. That's ing, that's the extension. You are going to change this extension to ISO. I for India, S for snake, O for orange, ISO. To do that, you have to enable your computer to show file extension. Otherwise, if you have downloaded with your phone, you can use your phone to change the extension. And I'm sure you know how to enable your computer to show file extension. So I'm not going to go through that. If you don't know, just let me know in the comment box and I will do justice to letting you know how to do that. So I'll press F2 because I want to rename.
F2, edit, Microsoft Office Professional 2019.
I'll move to the end of the name, Control End.
Bottom of file, edit Microsoft Office Professional.
Then I'll read with my left arrow.
G, M, I.
That's it, I.
India.
Then I'll read forward again.
M, G.
So I'm going to delete this IMG
G, M, I.
and leave the dot. I'll write ISO.
I, O.
Then press the enter key.
ISO, enter, rename dialog. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes button to activate, press spacebar, Alt+Y.
You will always hear that confirmation dialog anytime you attempt to change the extension of any file. So I'm going to confirm I want to do that by pressing space on yes button, which is at the focus. If yes is not at your focus, you can press the tab key to move to it, then press the space bar.
Space, items view multi-select list box, Microsoft Office Professional 2019 Retail downloaded from blindhelp.net.iso 15/06/.
So that has been done. The installation begins. So I will
JAWS,
get it again.
Microsoft Office Professional 20.
I'll press enter to open it.
Enter. Shell folder view, items view multi-select list box, not selected office, 09/10/2020 9:49 AM file folder, 1 of 3, to auto run, setup.x, 3 of 3.
So this setup.x is what I'm going to click on. You can locate it by pressing X or you use your down arrow to locate it. I think it's the third file. Let's be sure.
Office, 1 of
Office
3,
is the first one.
autorun.inf, 2 of 3.
Autorun.inf is the second one.
Setup.x, 3
Then
of
setup is the third one. You can either press application on it and run it as administrator or just press enter on it and it's going to install. But I would attempt to do the first option.
application. Run as administrator A.
Yeah, I'll press enter on it.
Enter. Leaving menus. DVD drive E16.0.131227.20616. Items view multi-select list box. Setup.x 09/10/2020 12:48 AM. Application 441 KB 3 of 3. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. User account control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make change?
Here we go again. User account control. I'll press Alt+Y to say yes.
Alt-Y unavailable. DVD drive E16.0.131227.20616. Welcome to your new office. Couldn't install Office? Install 64-bit? Button to activate, press spacebar, Alt+I.
So I'll press my tab key to cycle through the options that we have.
Close. Button to
Yeah,
activate,
close.
press minimize.
Minimize.
Button to act help. Installing 64-bit or install 64-bit. Button to activate, press spacebar.
So it says
Alt+I.
install 64 bits button. My computer is 64 bits. If your computer is 32 bits, the Microsoft Office package is smart enough to detect it because all has been bundled into one package. So I'm going to press spacebar on this.
Space. Welcome to your new office. DVD drive E16.0.1312.7.20616.
Installation has started.
Welcome to your new office. DVD drive E16.0.1312.7.20616. Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. Unavailable.
So if I'm interested in checking the progress, I can just press my JOS key or your NVDA key plus letter B.
Minimize. Button. Installing Office. Microsoft Office installation 2% completed. Progress bar 2%. We'll be done in just a moment.
So that's to tell you that the installation has started. So let's just wait for it to be completed. How fast the installation will be largely depends on your computer. Yeah, it depends on the RAM and the processor of your computer. That determines how fast or slow the installation process will be. So let's wait until the installation is done. I'll be back.
Installing Office. Microsoft Office installation 97% completed. Progress bar 97%. We'll be done in just a moment.
So we are 97% right now. Let's just wait a while and it will be completed.
New notification from Microsoft.Explorer.Notification. Left brace D1F6275CB9A0825E7F7351B54487 right brace. Installation is finished. Your Office product is now completely installed. You can now go offline or shut down. Microsoft.Explorer.Notification. Left brace D1F6275CB9A0825E7F73.
So installation is completed according to the notification from Microsoft Office. So press my tab key.
The video is playing. Press to pause the video. Close. Button to activate. Press space. DVD drive E16.0.1312.7.2.
Now after installing Microsoft, I'm going to close this folder.
Alt F4. Windows Security. Back button to activate. JAWS. Windows Security.
So I want to check if it has been installed.
Search box edit.
Let's type Word.
R. D. Word app. Press right to switch preview. Word app. Press right to switch preview.
So I have my Word app here. This is going to launch Microsoft 2019. I'll press
Word.
enter.
Enter.
Let's see what we are going to get.
Opening.
Opening.
Opening Word. List box Word. New list box. Blank document. 1 of 1. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Alt followed by FH. Y2. Microsoft respects your privacy. Next button. To activate, press spacebar. Alt plus N.
Now because this is first run, we're going to go through a lot of things here.
Learn more. Next button. To activate,
Privacy, I
press
don't want to read
spacebar.
it, so I'll press spacebar next.
Space. New list box. Blank document. 1 of 1. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Getting better together. Learn more link. Do you want to send optional data about Office to Microsoft? Yes. Send optional data radio button not checked. To change the selection, press up or down arrow. Learn more link. Do you want to send optional data about Office to Microsoft? Yes. Send optional data. No, don't send optional data radio button checked. To change the selection, press up.
So I'm going to just press right arrow to select no because I don't want to send them anything.
Learn more. Accept button to active space.
Accept,
New
press
list box.
spacebar. So I've just
File
pressed
account privacy. The button to activate, press spacebar. Learn more link. File account privacy link. Powering your experiences dialog. Learn more link the button. File learn more the button space. New list box. Blank document. 1 of 1. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Alt followed by FH. Y2.
Now, as it is, the Microsoft Office is not activated. If I continue to use it, at a time, it will prompt me for activation. So I need to get it activated. So I'll close it.
Alt F4.
Then I'll go to my download folder.
Escape with JAWS Professional Windows E. File Explorer. Items View List Box. To D. Downloads 2 of 29. Enter. Items View List Box. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Items.
So I'm going to look for the activation file here.
Earlier, Zulu Ents debut, last week cloud, last month expanded, last month kms.vl.smart.activation.script.v46 password 2022 blindhelp.net.kms.vl. Time, file folder, kms.vl.smart.
So this folder is what I will open. That's where we have the activation file.
Enter
I'll
items
open
view
it.
list box. To move to an item, press.
Then I'll scroll down one.
Setup files.
So we have this setup file. It's also a folder.
Time, file folder, setup
I'm gonna
file,
open it.
enter, shell folder view.
Then I'll scroll down once again.
KMSVLOAIO.cmd 2 of 2.
Yeah, this CMD file, I'm going to run it as administrator. I'll press the application key on it. If you don't have the physical application key, you can always get that by pressing Shift plus F10 key.
Applications, context menu, to navigate, press up.
I'll scroll down to run as administrator.
Edit, print, run as administrator.
Then press enter on it.
Enter, leaving menus, setup files, items view multi-select list box, kmsvlaio.cmd, 31/03/2022, 7:28 p.m. Windows command script 296 KB, 2 of 2. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. User account control dialog.
We have the user account control dialog popping up again. I'll tap to yes.
Do you want to yes button to activate? Press spacebar, Alt followed by Y.
I'll press spacebar as instructed.
Space, setup files. See Windows System 32cmd.x. 1. Activate manual mode. 2. Install activation auto renewal. 3. Uninstall completely configuration. 4. Enable debug mode no. 5. Process Windows yes. 6. Process Office yes. 7. Convert Office C to RR2V yes. X. Skip Windows KMS 38 yes. Miscellaneous. 8. Check activation status VBS. 9. Check activation status Y. S. Create $OEM folder. R. Readme. E. Activate external mode. Choose a menu option or press 0 to exit.
Now I'm going to play this dialog again and I need you to listen to it. So because of that, I'm going to move away from here
Setup files to move
and
to an item, press the arrow
reduce
key.
JAWS a bit.
Unavailable. Slower.
Good, so I'll go back to it.
Administrator KMSVLAIOV46.
So I'm gonna replay it
To an
again.
item, press the arrow keys. Administrator KMSVLAIOV46.
I'll press just key plus B.
Administrator KMSVLAIOV46. 1. Activate manual mode. 2. Install activation auto renewal. 3. Uninstall completely configuration. 4. Enable debug mode no. 5. Process Windows yes. 6. Process Office yes. 7. Convert Office C to RR2V yes. X. Skip Windows KMS 38 yes. Miscellaneous. 8. Check activation status VBS. 9. Check activation status YS. Create $OEM folder. R. Readme. E. Activate external mode. Choose a menu option or press 0 to exit.
So you heard that. I'm going to press 2 and that will activate Office permanently for me. So I'll press figure 2 right now.
2. Installing local KMS emulator ... Adding file of Windows Defender exclusion ... See Windows System 32 SPPX.com objhook.dll. Adding registry keys ... HKLM software Microsoft Windows NT current version image file execution options SPPX.com obj.x. HKLM software Microsoft Windows NT current version image file execution options tasks.x. Adding scheduled task. Microsoft Windows Software Protection Platform SVC trigger. Activation mode. Auto renewal. Converting Office C2R retail to volume. Professional 2019 Suite Pro plus 2019 licenses. Project Pro 2016 SCU Project Pro 2019 licenses. Visio Pro 2016 SCU Visio Pro 2019 licenses. Checking Windows R Core Single Language Edition. Product is permanently activated. Installing key. Office 19. Office 19 Project Pro 2019 VLKMS Client AE Edition. Activating Office 19. Office 19 Project Pro 2019 VLKMS Client AE Edition. Product activation successful. Remaining period 180 days to 59200 minutes. Installing key. Office 19. Office 19 Visio Pro 2019 VLKMS Client AE Edition. Activating Office 19. Office 19 Visio Pro 2019 VLKMS Client AE Edition. Product activation successful. Remaining period 180 days to 59200 minutes. Installing key. Office 19. Office 19 Pro plus 2019 VLKMS Client AE Edition. Activating Office 19. Office 19 Pro plus 2019 VLKMS Client AE Edition. Product activation successful. Remaining period 180 days to 59200 minutes. No installed Office 2010 product detected. Make sure to exclude this file in the antivirus protection. See Windows System 32 SPPX.com objchook.dll. Press any key to continue.
Press any key to continue. So I'm going to just press any key to continue. You can press any key out of your keyboard, maybe spacebar or something. You can just press anything.
1. Activate auto renewal mode. 2. Install activation auto renewal installed. 3. Uninstall completely. Configuration. 4. Enable debug mode no. 5. Process Windows yes. 6. Process Office yes. 7. Convert Office C2RR2V yes. X skip Windows KMS 38 yes. Miscellaneous. 8. Check activation status VBS. 9. Check activation status UMI. S. Create $OEM folder. R. Readme. E. Activate external mode. Choose a menu option or press 0 to exit.
So I'll press 0 to exit.
0 unavailable.
And that has been done. I've been able to activate Office. The last thing I need to do before going to Office to check if it has been successfully activated is to exclude this folder from my antivirus. So I'll close this folder first.
Step 4. JAWS Professional.
And
Windows
go to
Security.
Windows Security. So I'll tab.
Open Navigate Real Dismiss Hamper Learn Manage Control Add or Remove Exclusions Link.
Good. Add or remove exclusion link. So I'm going to press spacebar.
Space back button to activate. Press spacebar. Add an exclusion button to activate. Press spacebar. Exclusions list box. Add an exclusion button to activate. Open navigate. Add an exclusion button
Press
to
spacebar.
activate. Space menu file to move through items. Press up or down arrow.
And we have two options here. We have file. Then the second one is
Folder.
But I'm going to use the first one.
File F.
File. Press enter.
Enter. Add an exclusion button. A. Leaving menus. Open dialog. File name.
I'm going to press my tab key multiple times until I get to the tree view.
File open button. Cancel. Toolbar up. Search box. Items view. Tree view. Downloads closed. 4 of 9. To move through or expand item.
I look for
music.
downloads by pressing D.
DVD D. Level 1. Desktop D. Downloads pin not checked.
I'll press enter to expand
Enter.
it. Then I'll press tab key once.
Items view list box. To move to an item, press the arrow.
Now look for that folder
kms.vl.smart.activation.script.v46 password 2020
Not this one, the second one.
kms.vl.smart.activation.script.v46 8 of 14.
So it's a folder. I'm going to open it.
Enter Explorer pane.
Then we have
Unavailable.
setup.
Files.
I will open it also.
Enter shell folder view.
Then I'll scroll to the file I want to exclude, which is the CMD file.
KMSVLAIO.cmd 2 of 2.
I'll press my tab key.
Header name split file name edit combo
Let's confirm.
KMSVLAIO.cmd. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value Alt+N.
Automatically the file is here, so I'm going to tap
Files
to
of open button to activate. Press spacebar Alt+O.
and then press the spacebar to activate.
Space file name edit combo KMSVLAIO.cmd. Add an exclusion button to activate. Press spacebar. User account control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Windows security.
I'll tap to
Verify
yes.
button. Do you want yes button to activate? Press spacebar Alt followed by Y.
Then act as instructed.
Space.
Right now, the exclusion has been created. If I want to check it, I can go to the exclusion list and it
Exclusions
will be
list
there.
box. See users 2, 3, 4.
But I really
Get
do not
help
need
link.
it. I'm going to turn on my antivirus.
Give us feed private back button open nav. Add an exclusion get help link. Alt F4 menu bar options escape leave job.
So let me go to virus
Search
again.
RUS virus and virus. Enter Windows security.
And tap to settings.
Protect turn on button. Virus and threat protection settings. Space real time dismiss link. Real time protection button not checked. Space back button to activate. Press space bar. User account
Press
control
Alt plus
dialog
Y.
Y. Open
Go
and
to the
real
next
time
one.
protection button checked. This cloud delivered protection button not checked.
I'm gonna check this.
Space autumn submit a dismiss tamper protection button not
I'll check this also.
space checked. Learn
That's the
to
last one.
add or remove exclusions link.
Then I'll close
Alt
it.
F4 JAWS professional.
That's how to get Microsoft Office installed and activated. Please ensure you share this demo amongst your networks. Thank you.